Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to use NX to build a monorepo, and we're gonna learn how we can use a React shared UI library in two separate apps using NX CLI tools. It's gonna be a quick tutorial, so let's get started. Alright, so what exactly is NX? Think of it like a super smart project manager for your code. It's an open source system built specifically for monorepos. NX understands how your apps and libraries connected together. This means incredibly fast builds because it only rebuilds what's changed, and it uses smart caching for insane results. It also keeps your code consistent with code generation and helps you scale without the headaches. Alright, now let's generate a new monorepo workspace using NX. NX will ask you a couple of questions about the stack and the naming that you want to use. We want to skip the end-to-end testing. We want to use Tailwind, and we want to use ESLint and Prettier for formatting. And for the CI, we want to use GitHub Actions. Now NX is in installing the dependencies and generating our monorepos. Now we've got our NX monorepo ready to go. Let's open this in our VS Code. Alright, if you look at the file explorer on the left, you will see a few key things. The apps folder is where our main application will live, and you'll see some configuration files like NX.json and our normal package.json. Now let's add our admin panel project, React project, to our apps folder. First of all, you need to install the NX package globally. Alright, next let's add a React app to our apps folder named admin panel. Alright, now we have our admin panel here in our apps. Now let's add a UI library to our apps folder. Alright, our shared UI library is generated for us. We are going to use this UI component library from admin panel and web application. Alright, now let's open up our admin and web app. Alright, here is our admin panel running on 4200 and our web app running on 4201. As you can see, in both our applications we have a shared components that we can see they are both using the same UI. But if you take a look at the components, the admin panel is basically having its own code for the UI, and our web app is also having its own component for the UI. So we are going to move these part of the UI that is shared between these two applications into the shared UI library in our NX Monorepo. So both our application will be using the same components without duplicating the code. Alright, first of all, I'm going to delete these shared UI tsx and the test file, and I'm going to copy this NX welcome tsx and move it into the lib folder of shared UI, and I'm going to export it here. Done. Now we can open our app tsx inside admin panel, and I'm going to change the import path from the current folder into shared UI. Just like that, now we are using the NX welcome component from shared UI, and we can delete this one, and let's do the same for the admin, the web app. So I'm going to delete this one, and inside the app tsx I'm going to change the import path. Alright, let's save and get back to our browser. Let's reload, and as you can see, our applications are working just fine. And this is how you can share your code base components between two React application and use the magic of a monorepo architecture. I hope you like this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next videos.